Here is a typical IKEA bed, and my today's project is to enhance its look.
Let's see how we can do it.
I have many wooden leftovers from the other pieces of furniture, and I am going to use a few of them here. Also, to bring them together, I am going to use a few pieces of wood my husband cut for me. Also, I have 2 pieces of balustrade, which were cut in 2 pieces each. Watch how I am going to use them. I am gluing all the pieces and will leave them letting the glue dry. I will fill in the cracks and the holes with the acrylic. To the front of the bed, I have also made a couple of moulds using the epoxy resin. Now every addition is solid dry and ready to be painted. The first coat is white, as I want each piece to have the same starting color. I have applied 2 coats of it and let it dry well. Here I am using the Versailles chalk paint and going to blend it with the old ochre chalk paint. This is the first coat, and the first coat is always about seeing how the colors are blending together, how they are looking together. If you use the light colors, you can easily change them applying the second coat. Just let the first one dry completely and then paint it over with the different colors. After I applied both colors, using a separate brush for each, I have sprayed the surface with water. And using a soft, large brush, I am blending the 2 colors together. I am using Annie Sloan chalk paint in this project. Stay with me until the end to see how this bedroom was transformed. This will be the second and the last coat, as I have painted everything in white to start with. I need only 2 coats to have a good coverage. The main requirement here is to keep the blending brush dry, wiping it often to get rid of the paint which accumulates on the brush, and to keep your hand very soft and light. When applying the second coat, I am using less paint and spraying my brushes with water. When the paint is more loose, it is easy to blend it. I am also slightly dry brushing the tips of the details with the old ochre chalk paint. I am keeping the brush almost dry, as I just want to highlight the high points of the details to make them more contrasting with the low shade points. I have left the headboard as it is, as I have a different idea for it. Stay tuned to see how it turned out. After I have finished blending and let it dry, I have covered all the painted parts with a clear wax. And now I am applying a brown wax with a small brush. I am getting into all the crevices, making the shades deeper. Then, with a softer, slightly bigger makeup brush, I'm smoothing the dark shades. I like using the cheap makeup brushes for this job. They are very soft and helping me to create more natural shades. As you noticed here, I am not using too much of a brown wax. I want the transitions to be smooth and more natural. To finish, I have brushed the high points of the details with the white wax. Here, each step is just to make the details to stand out. By making the high points lighter and the low points darker. For the headboard, I asked my husband to cut out a quite thin piece of the pressed wood and stippled the foam to the board, covered it with a piece of fabric and stippled the fabric to the other side of the board. That is all, very easy with a great result. The bed is finished, and you can see the transformation. This is the bedroom how it was originally when we bought our French house. It was a tiny, dark boxed room. As the room was on the top floor, we had all the walls demolished and the beautiful original beams opened. And here it is, after the combined efforts of a professional team and us. I have repainted all the pieces of furniture you see here, including the bedside lamps and the mirror. The process of painting some of the pieces I have posted already on my YouTube channel. If you haven't watched the videos, I have left the links below. I have also painted all the doors, but applied a mold to start with. Painted the doors white and then applied a paint wash around the trims with the en fleur chalk paint. Please subscribe if you haven't done it yet to support my channel. It will help the channel grow and be available to many more others. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you again with my new fun project.